Amber Natasha Thompson. We made it. The day is finally here. When I think back of our time together, our love that's grown over the many years, I'm just so excited for what we can do, what we have coming up in our horizon in the future.
So I wanted to talk about something that I thought was really interesting in this film specifically, and it has to do with wedding film interviews. So we're all familiar with, creating an interview with the couple before the ceremony and then peppering in that audio to create more of a narrative, something that feels a little bit more substantial. And it's a really great technique. In this film, the filmmaker has done something a little bit different. Instead of having an interview with the couple and having it feel like your average talking head kind of interview, he's instead just focused on one of the members of the couple, just the groom, and he's had the groom speak directly to the camera like I am now, but he's addressing his wife. So instead of answering questions like, how does it feel being in love with your wife? Or how does it feel being in love with, the name of your wife? He's instead just asked the groom, like, what message do you have for your wife or your soon-to-be wife? And then just speak directly to the camera. And it's created this really, really emotional, really engaging, really, just really intimate kind of message that, you feel like he's talking to you. You feel like it's a whole different thing, and it feels very, very intimate, and it's really beautiful. I think it's a really great idea and something that's really easy to incorporate into your film. So I think this is a really intimate and a really powerful technique that we can use to enhance our films. I really like interviews. I think they add in some narrative audio that is a little bit more candid and a little bit more interesting than what you generally get in the vows. A lot of couples, they don't memorize their vows, so they'll be reading off of a piece of paper, and the delivery can be a little bit monotone and a little just not as interesting or as engaging as actual speech. So by having an interview section where you interview the couple maybe before the ceremony or even on a different day prior to the wedding, you can get really candid responses which are more intimate, which are just perfect for peppering through the timeline to create a bit more of a narrative in the film. And yeah, this is a really great technique as well. Instead of just having the talking head, maybe where they're looking off camera and they're answering questions, you can have them just look directly at the camera and record personal messages to each other. So if you enjoyed that video, go and check out Redeemed Productions and John Bunn's other YouTube channel, How to Film Weddings, where he's a co-host on the How to Film Weddings podcast and YouTube channel. So go and check those out as well. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like the video, hit the bell icon to stay in the loop when new videos come out each week. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.